Hey everyone, Jason here. In today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum, and I'm going to do it in a way that you'll never forget. For this video, I'm assuming you have some basic familiarity with Ethereum before we dive in. I'd like you to take Ethereum, well actually not just Ethereum, but all public blockchains such as Bitcoin, Neo, and so on, and think of them like public transit, just like the train here. You pay to use it, but the details of how it works or where it goes are all predefined. It's great because it's very structured, but bad if you need to get somewhere that the train doesn't go. It's also public, so everyone can see you riding the train, and you can see everyone else. This is similar to Ethereum as it's also public. Transactions are visible to everyone. It's structured in that smart contract development is based on predefined languages such as Solidity, and the functionality is also predefined. You don't have to know how the network works in order to start designing for it, and that's one of the beauties of Ethereum. On the other hand, Hyperledger Fabric is a little like buying or building a vehicle for your own specific needs. Do you need to move a few couches? Well, good luck doing that using the train. But a pickup truck is a much more viable alternative. Things aren't as straightforward as using the train though. If you're looking at getting a new vehicle, you're gonna have to go out and do research on all the different types of cars, trucks, what engines they have, and all the different parameters that might make that car useful for what you want. However, you also have the option of applying permissions to your vehicle. You can decide who has access to drive that, whether it's your friends, family, coworkers, or maybe you're running your own company and you have a fleet of vehicles for a specific use case. It's also much less structured. Hyperledger Fabric allows the developer to change how things work under the hood. But there's added complexity and a lot more things to consider. So Ethereum, being a public blockchain, caters to applications that are distributed in nature, different things such as voting, crowdsourcing, or other B2C projects. Everything's structured in such a way that it's trustworthy for the entire public. Look at ICOs or CryptoKitties, for example. Whether you choose to explore Hyperledger and permission blockchains or Ethereum and public blockchains, it's important to solidify your reason for using blockchain technology. For that, you can refer to my previous video, which answers the question, does your business really need blockchain? I'll put a link to that down in the description below. I hope you found this information informative. I want to know what you think about Hyperledger. Let me know in the comments section below. And until next time, thanks for watching.